The mid-cycle update brings fresh body colors and wheel designs along with some few interior changes. The Audi Q8 has been on sale for about 5 years, so it's only natural for the House of Ingolstadt to update its flagship SUV. Only the standard model and the SQ8 are being revealed today, as the revised RS Q8 will break cover later. Despite being available since 2018, the swoopy sport utility vehicle still feels fresh inside and out in 2023. Nevertheless, the four rings felt the need to give it a nip and tuck to battle the 2024 BMW X6. The changes start at the front, where the single-frame grille now has octagonal elements for both the Q8 and SQ8. Interestingly, the German luxury brand says it has changed the imposingly large corporate grille of the Coupe SUV to not only set it apart from the A-badged cars, but also to denote it sits at the top of the hierarchy. The mid-cycle revision also includes chunky a pair of air intakes, even for the normal variant. It's the headlights that represent a more significant upgrade compared to the pre-facelifted version. The 2024 Audi Q8 gets high-intensity LED headlights that can be optionally replaced with a matrix LED setup. On top of that are the HD matrix LED headlights, featuring a laser light for the high beam. The latter is automatically turned on at 43.5 mph, 70 km/h. In addition, these new swanky headlights are configurable in the sense there are 4 light signatures selectable via the infotainment. At the back, Audi is implementing OLED technology into the taillights to mimic the A8 full-size sedan and the smaller Q5 crossover. These not only boast the usual coming home and leaving home sequences and dynamic turn signals, but also a safety feature. When the car behind comes within 6.6 feet, 2 meters, of a stationary Q8, all OLED elements are automatically activated to make the posh SUV more visible. As far as the SQ8 is concerned, it gets a larger 4.0-liter V8 gasoline engine with a massive 500 HP and 568 lb-ft, 770 Nm, to hit 62 mph, 100 km/h from a standstill in just 4.1 seconds, en route to an electronically governed 155 mph, 250 km/h. This brawny 8-cylinder unit can switch off 4 of its cylinders in a matter of milliseconds to reduce fuel consumption when that extra power is not needed. The SQ8 gets 21-inch wheels with 285/45 tires, but there are also 22 and 23-inch options, including a new 23-inch dedicated set with 285/35 rubber. Stopping power is supplied by 400mm front and 350mm rear discs with S-badged front brake calipers in either black or red. As with the regular Q8, it gets Quattro permanent all-wheel drive and an 8-speed Tiptronic gearbox, which changes gears quicker on the SQ8. The 2024 Audi Q8 SQ8 will be available to order in Europe later this month. Pricing in Germany starts at $86,700 for the 45 TDI, followed by the 50 TDI at $89,700, the 55 TFSI at $89,900, and the SQ8 at $119,500.